How to cancel MLB subscription. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you want to cancel out your MLB subscription, launch a Play Store in your mobile device. Now if you're using an iOS device, you have to check out your settings, through which you need to head over to your payment section. Then under subscription, search for MLB subscription and cancel it out. However, for Android users such as me, open up your Play Store, then tap on the user icon at the top. Ensure that your account is the same account through which you have subscribed to MLB. After which, tap over to Payment and Subscription. Head over to Subscriptions. If you have subscribed to MLB, you will see the MLB over here. At the side, you will find the option either Edit or Manage. Click on it, then again tap on Cancel. For the final confirmation, you might have to tap on Cancel once again. After which, you'll be able to cancel out your MLB subscription. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.